The Cybercab has arrived. Investors got their first glimpse of the long-awaited Robotaxi at Tesla's We Robot event on October 10th. Robotaxi Day has been cited as a make-or-break moment for Tesla's growth story as CEO Elon Musk attempts to steer the company away from its core business of making and selling EVs toward one that produces robots and utilizes AI. And much of the company's stock price is likely to hinge on Musk's ability to put a vehicle on the road that can drive itself anywhere it wants. On this IBD Explains, we go over highlights from the highly anticipated Robotaxi event and what investors need to know. Years after Elon Musk first floated the idea of a car that could operate without a driver, he finally introduced a prototype to the world dubbed the Cybercab.
There's no people in them, as you can see. The car's just going by with no people.
The Cybercab, a two-seat electric vehicle, sports a futuristic look with a fastback design and butterfly doors. The car has no steering wheel and no pedals.
So I hope this goes well. We'll find out.
The Robotaxi is a purpose-built autonomous vehicle, which means human drivers don't need to steer the car. It also means that Tesla will need regulatory approval before putting the Cybercab on the road. Musk also announced that the Robotaxi would use inductive charging instead of a plug. He expects production of the Cybercab to start next year.
Well, I tend to be a little optimistic with timeframes. But in 2026. So, yeah. Before 2027, let me put it that way.
Tesla expects the cost of the Robotaxi to be below $30,000.
I think the cost of autonomous transport will be so low that you can think of it like individualized mass transit.
Musk envisions the Cybercab's business model to mimic popular ride-sharing platforms like Uber and Lyft. The idea would be that individual Tesla owners could run their own Robotaxi fleets and rent their vehicles out when they're not driving them.
You have your flock of cars, and you're the shepherd, and you take care of your flock of cars. I think that would be pretty cool.
With the rollout still a few years away, Musk didn't show off a ride-hailing app for consumers to summon their own cybercabs. For the Cybercab to work, Tesla will need to perfect its full self-driving capabilities, and the development of that technology has been a major hurdle for Musk and Tesla to overcome.
We'll move from supervised full self-driving to unsupervised full self-driving, where the car, you could fall asleep and wake up at your destination.
Musk told the audience of investors, influencers, and analysts that all of Tesla's new models would be available with unsupervised full self-driving software in select locations in 2025.
We do expect actually to start fully autonomous, unsupervised FSD in Texas and California next year.
But to achieve unsupervised self-driving, Tesla would need to make major strides in advancing its FSD software. The company currently operates a Level 2 system, which requires driver supervision. Meanwhile, competitor Waymo boasts Level 4 autonomy and can drive passengers around town without a human driver. At Tesla's Robotaxi event, passengers were indeed being shuttled around without human drivers, but it was a closed course. The vehicles have yet to be tested on real streets. Musk also showed off a large Robo van, a sleek tram-like vehicle with sliding glass doors that can hold up to 20 people and also transport goods.
You know, one of the things that we want to do, and we've seen this with the Cybertruck, is we want to change the look of the roads. You know, the future should look like the future.
He gave no timeline on when that vehicle would go into production. Tesla's humanoid robots, known as Optimus, also took to the stage and were even enlisted as bartenders for the evening.
So it can be a teacher, babysit your kids, it can walk your dog, mow your lawn, whatever you can think of, it will do.
Musk says Optimus will ultimately cost less than a car, citing a price range between $28,000 and $30,000 for consumers in the long term. He didn't give further details on Optimus' capabilities or production timelines, but says humanoid robots will be integral to Tesla's future.
I think this will be the biggest product ever of any kind.
Tesla's profitability has taken a hit in recent years as the demand for electric cars has cooled. Tesla stock is well off its all-time high set in 2021 and is underperforming the major indexes in 2024. Musk is hoping to continue Tesla's growth story by pivoting to robotics and artificial intelligence. He estimates that AI technology could raise Tesla's valuation to roughly $30 trillion. That's nearly 40 times Tesla's current market cap. The Robotaxi is so pivotal to Tesla's future that Musk has prioritized its development over producing a low-cost EV model. There's still a number of production and regulatory hurdles to clear before cybercabs can even get on the road, and Tesla will have to demonstrate real progress in full self-driving to satisfy investor and analyst expectations. But it's a challenge Elon Musk welcomes.
Yeah, with that, let's party!